Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Pascal, and in this tutorial I'll be teaching you how to create layer mask, okay? How to use layer mask in Photoshop. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also turn on your notification, okay? And if you have any comments, you can also drop it in the comment section. It will really help my channel grow. Okay, so to create layer mask, I'm going to load an image onto my page right now. Somewhere here. Okay, I have this beautiful image on my page right now. I'm going to rotate the image so you can see it. I'm going to hold down shift so that it's straight. Okay, I'm going to widen the image. I'm going to fit the image to the screen. Okay, this should be good. So to create layer mask, there are a couple of ways to do that in Photoshop. Well, I'm going to teach you a very quick and easy way of doing that in Photoshop. So what I'm going to do with this picture, I'm going to go to select. Now click on select and mask, and you see the picture looks kind of faded right now. Okay, this transparency is set to 80%. That is why. So if I should reduce this transparency, you can see it. So I'm going to leave it there. Now why this transparency is very important is because it makes you to see what you're doing. So when you're selecting, I'm going to select this image. Okay, so when I'm going to select this image, it's going to become the transparency of the place I'm selecting is going to be 0. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to increase the size of my selection tool. So if you want to increase the size of the selection tool, use the bracket. So I'm going to click on the hair and drag. Okay, you can see it's being selected right now. In a situation where you mistakenly select some places you don't want, you can hold down the Alt key or the option if you are using Mac, and you click and drag. Okay, good. So we have basically selected the image itself. So what we're going to do next is just to click OK. Okay, so there are a bunch of settings here. I'm going to talk about them right now. So, but it depends on the image you're working with. For this kind of images, is just straight up. So what you just need to do, you don't need to really work with all this stuff here. So if you click on the feathering now, you see what it's doing to it. Okay, so basically in this image we don't need all these controls right now, so I'm just gonna hit OK, and we have created a layer mask. So I'm going to put a blue background or a yellow background behind this image so that you see what we've done. Give it yellow background. So basically, this is just how to create layer mask in Photoshop. Okay, so this is everything you need to know about creating layer mask. So it's very quick and easy. So, and it's very applicable when you're doing a lot of things. Maybe you're working, you want to remove this picture, you want to put it in another place, you want to put someone into another picture. It comes in very handy. Okay, so this is everything about creating layer mask in Photoshop. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Make sure you don't forget to like and subscribe.